Zoho Sprints is a cloud-based project management platform designed specifically for Agile teams. It's tailored to help teams manage tasks, sprints, and workflows using Agile methodologies, like Scrum and Kanban. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive interface that emphasizes collaboration and team productivity. The dashboard offers a snapshot of your ongoing sprints, upcoming tasks, and progress. Navigating the dashboard is straightforward, with a left-hand sidebar for easy access to features such as boards, sprints, epics, and backlog. When you create a new project, you can set up your sprints, define tasks, and assign roles to team members. Tasks are easily customizable, allowing for detailed descriptions, priorities, due dates, and attachments. One standout feature is the sprint board, which visually tracks the progress of tasks within a sprint. It uses columns like to do, in progress, and completed, giving teams a clear view of where each task stands. You could also track individual task progress with burn-down charts, which are helpful for seeing how quickly your team is moving through the sprint. Zoho Sprints allows easy collaboration with features like task comments, admissions, and file attachments. This is ideal for teams that need to communicate quickly and keep everything organized in one place. The tool integrates with other Zoho products, like Zoho Projects and Zoho CRM, offering a unified platform for managing your business operations. However, there are some limitations to consider. While Zoho Sprint provides a lot of functionality, the learning curve may be steep for new users. Some features, like custom workflows and detailed reporting, are only available in the higher-tier plans. Additionally, the mobile app could use some improvement in terms of user experience and functionality. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Overall, Zoho Sprints is an excellent choice for teams looking to implement Agile methodologies. It's especially beneficial for software development teams, but could work for other types of teams as well. Its user interface is clean and accessible, and the tool provides robust features for managing sprints, tasks, and collaboration. The pricing structure is competitive, but you may need to consider if the higher-tier features are worth the investment for your team's needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more reviews and insights into tools that can boost your team's productivity. Thanks for watching.